Monster Powersport is now offering this Buell motorcycle, Lightning Long SS. If you didn't know, this is a corner-oriented division of Harley-Davidson consisting of a few bikes. This bike is a Lightning Long XB12Ss, which is essentially a longer, taller, and wider version of the XB12S. Although still small, the bike has half of the displacement, and it is great with turns and steering. It has side mirrors. You can check this bike out more closely on our website at www.monsterpowersport.com. There you'll be able to look at over 300 pre-owned motorcycles, all fully serviced and inspected before they leave the door. We offer financing on our inventory. The application's available on our website. Just make sure you complete all of the items with a red asterisk and any other information we need, and click submit. We're in our busy riding season. Everybody wants to get their bike and get some riding in before the summer or before the winter gets here. This bike is perfect, and it's small for perfect storage till next summer. If you're interested, call us right away. We do have a few other Buell motorcycles in stock. Our number here is 847-526-0500. You can always come in person and check out our inventory as well. Take something home today. Our address is 315 North Rand Road in Wauconda, Illinois.